Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampedbafo. Today we are going to learn something about multiplication of fractions. Example: solve 4 over 5 times 2 over 8. Now if you get a question like this, the first thing you have to do is you check the numerators and the denominators. Check if they can cancel out. For example, 4 can cancel 8. So therefore 4 divides itself 1, 4 divides 8, 2. So therefore, moving forward, we get 1 over 5 times 2 over 2. Now this 2 can cancel this 2. So therefore equal to 1 over 5 times 2 cancel itself 1. 2 cancel this 2, 1. Equal to 1 times 1 over 5 times 1. So therefore the final answer is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 is the final answer. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe because more will be coming soon. Thank you.